Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark, where I am exploring different cocktails and mixing them in different ways to try and find out what I like, and hopefully you're getting something out of it too. Today we're going to do a cocktail from 1934 called the Eclipse Number Two, and it is rum, chartreuse, and lemon juice. And the recipe's a little ambiguous. It calls for a light Cuban rum or just a brown rum. So today I'm going to use Havana Club and this Angostura 1919. And I'm going to see what the flavor difference is. So it starts out, this is a shake and drink. You need 1 1/3 ounce of rum. Two-thirds ounce of chartreuse. And 2/3 ounce of lemon juice. Ice the tin and shake. Ditch the ice out of the glass. You always want to chill your glassware, and we are going to double strain this. And the color here looks fantastic. Now this gets a cherry for a garnish, but I'm going to wait until both cocktails are made before I put that in. Now on to the one with Angostura. And of course this one is exactly the same. Chartreuse. And lemon juice. Ice the tin and shake. Ditch the ice out of the glass. And double strain. Now both of these get a cherry. So there you go, the same cocktail, the Eclipse Number Two, made with 2 different rums, a rum from Cuba and a rum from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm going to try the one from Trinidad and Tobago first. Let's see what we get. So on the nose, hints of lemon. I'm not getting much of the chartreuse coming through because there's not very much chartreuse in it, but I do get a sniff of the rum. No. Let's try the other one. Okay, one more, just for good measure. Maybe. No, and maybe. The one that I made with the Angostura just comes off as, how do I say it? Not pleasant. Not pleasant at all. Really isn't pleasant. It's not balanced. There's a super bitter, sharp flavor that cuts through that just kind of makes the inside of my mouth go, what is that? I think, if I'd ordered that at a bar, I probably wouldn't finish it. I'd order a beer to clean my palate. This one, I don't know if I'd order it a second time either, but it is it is more balanced. There's just a tiny hint of rum flavor. You get the botanicals from the chartreuse coming through. A tiny bit of the tang from the lemon in there just to brighten up all of the flavors. I'm not getting any sweetness from the garnish. The maraschino cherry and whatever syrup dropped into the glass isn't mixed through at this point. So I'm not getting anything from that, which I wouldn't expect to until you get down to the bottom of the glass. That's where you're going to start to get those flavors. So I think I might order this one a second time to give it another chance, and I might order this a second time and look at the bartender if he had made it with the Havana Club and say, let's try a different rum and see if we get a better experience. And I'm kind of surprised by the Angostura, because the Angostura, the rum on its own, is a rum that I kind of enjoy. You know, I'm not a huge rum drinker, but I've always found the Angostura to be kind of pleasant. And the Havana Club definitely is the kind of rum that you mix with. It is, to me, a cocktail rum. So just on their own, yeah. On its own, that's a wonderful rum. Spiciness, a little bit of sweet, everything that you would expect from a rum. A little bit of barrel. And the Havana Club, on the nose, I don't get anything from the Havana Club. It's almost like the glass is empty. Yeah. Complete reversal. On its own, I would choose the Angostura. It is pleasant, it's rounded, it's got a full flavor. The Havana Club is lacking a little bit, and it's got a bit of an aftertaste that I don't like. But that just goes to show how, when you start to mix the ingredients differently, they come together in different ways. And so where, you know, you might be screaming at the screen saying, oh, that rum or gin or the vodka or whatever is horrible, in a particular mix of ingredients, it may shine. It may be the right one. It may not be the right one for every cocktail. And that's part of what I'm trying to explore here. So in this instance, I would say advantage, Havana Club. I would make this again, try a different rum and see if it would make it better. But of these two, Havana Club wins. I hope you got something out of that. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.